Hi, I'm Brian Ruiz with Xerox, and I support ImageSource, who is Xerox's largest North American business partner. And it's very exciting to see the steps that ImageSource took and their specialized government team in working with Palm Springs USD in understanding their goals as far as what the print shop wanted to do, and then executing on those goals and overachieving them when it was all said and done. They leveraged some of the most innovative technology and workflow in the industry today, with inkjet printing on small format, inkjet printing on wide format, with web to print automation and workflows so they could print faster in a more automated way. And everything in regards to the finishing automation is just tremendous. And when you look at what this technology has done to the district, it has allowed them to bring in more print collaterals, be able to produce them faster for their students and their teachers, and produce them at a lower cost. And it's really exciting to see, with the partnership of ImageSource and Palm Springs USD, of where they will go in the future, because the opportunities are endless.